So last Christmas I began fixing up the car that has been parked in my garden for the good part of the last 8 years or more. After stripping it all up, it got to this point. And this summer I'm coming back to Portugal and my plan is to fix it all up. And by the way, I'm a filmmaker, I know zero about mechanics. So we'll see how it goes. Episode starts the series with a sort of a problem. I got a lot of car parts in England, but I don't know how to get them to Portugal. Having this in mind, we bought some bubble wrap and cling film or whatever it's called, like those plastic things, and we just wrapped everything around and prayed so that it wouldn't get damaged when we would ship them to Portugal. By the way, we don't have a car in England. We have something better. We have fucking shopping carts.
Every day I trick the devil to cross the line. Just how I want it. Facing the colossus of fear. It knows a little about the view that I'm about to ride. Just how I want it. Standing waiting.
So yeah, we rode inside the post office with the shopping cart. We got everything to them and they just packed it up and they said that it would take about 6 days. I thought, 6 days, that's a little bit... No, that doesn't seem like enough time for them to get it to Portugal, I thought.
You can't tell me you can't handle the truth. That's how you like it, but you just don't get it. He knows a little about the fuse that I'm about to light. Just how you want it. Standing waiting by the field. I better bring up the gun. I better bring up the thunder. Stop firing. I'll let you be the person with me. That you'll be living a life, but you'll be living a lifetime losing it.
Being back in Portugal, reunited with my beautiful motorcycle that I really love. It only took us 2 days until the things arrived. And they said it was gonna be 6, so I'm highly disappointed. I'm not mad, I'm disappointed. I mean, I thought that the 6 days were gonna be like an understatement, but... Well, guess what? They were fast as fuck. This, as in right now, it's how the car is. As you've seen, I painted this. It's like, you saw it was. You saw it was, and I'm fucking happy with the result so far.
By the field. I better bring up the gun. I better bring up the thunder. Stop firing. I'll let you be the person with me. That you'll be living a life, but you'll be living a lifetime losing it.